So in this video we're going to have a look at some of the router bits that come with our JWEI JCUT Cutter. So the first one we're going to have a look at is this one here, which is a 3.175mm diameter router bit, and you can see it looks a little bit like this. So this is a multi-purpose router bit, and it comes as standard with the adapter for the automatic tool changer for the JWEI. Now this bit here is a tip of 3.175mm. It's got a total cutting depth of 12mm. It's got a shank diameter, which is this side, of 6mm, which is very important. That's our router shank diameter. And then we've got a 50mm total length. So this can cut ACM, it can cut Fomex, it can cut acrylic. So it's a really good sort of multi-purpose router bit. Now you'd have to go down in no more than 3mm passes on this. Our general rule of thumb being 3mm tip diameter, 3mm total depth in one. So that's our 3mm bit. We then have a 4mm bit. So it's very similar router bit, just a little bit bigger in diameter. So 4mm tip diameter, 12mm total cutting depth, 6mm shank, and then 50mm total length. And again, this has our adapter on as standard for our automatic tool changer. This router bit can again be used for your Fomexes, ACMs, acrylics, and even woods and things like that as well. This can go down in 4mm passes maximum at a time. Then we have our 6mm. So this is diameter is 6mm, 22mm total cutting depth, and then 50mm total length. And again, it's got our adapter on for our automatic tool changer. Now, this is going to be for cutting thicker material, obviously up to 22mm, but also for cutting more material at one time. So things like 5mm Fomex, you'll be able to do in one pass, whereas on a 3 and a 4, you in theory, you're going to need to split those up into multiple passes. And again, for all different materials like ACM, acrylics and woods and all those sort of things. Then we have our engraving bits. So this is the J700. You see the J700 has a really sort of sharp point to it. Now this is great for engraving mainly acrylics, but we can use this for quite a few other materials. Now this does not come with the adapter for automatic tool changer, so you have to put one of the rings on instead. Then it goes slightly deeper then, so this is the J701, and then for comparison we then have the J700, so you can see just changes the angle on those, and that's going to change the way that it engraves. So these are engraving bits, and none of them come with the adapter as standard. So that's just some of the bits that come out of the box with your JWEI JCUT Cutter.